Indian forces are operationally preparing itself for a strike against terror after the Pahalgam attack. The Indian Air Force is showcasing its readiness here at the emergency landing strip, and this happens to be the first Indian emergency landing strip where the aircraft can land at night also. So night emergency landing strip has been made ready for the Indian Air Force's aircraft, and for the first time we will be seeing the Rafale aircraft of the Indian Air Force that will be taking on the landing operations from this particular airstrip that is present in the Shahjahanpur district on the Ganga Expressway. And this is the operational readiness of the forces here, where Indian Air Force will be showcasing the first Rafale fighter jet landing. And this is a 3.5 kilometer long airstrip on Ganga Expressway, where we'll also see the touchdown by various jets including Sukhoi 30, Mirage 2000, Jaguar AN-32. This particular airstrip on Ganga Expressway, it has advanced lighting and navigation systems to facilitate the night landings, and this is the first road runway that is effective and capable of the night landing. So this is the response of the forces, where we see that they are ready for any kind of disaster, any kind of emergency situation. They do not require to be at an airbase. If they require, they can come here, they can touch down at this landing strip, and this is the fourth such landing strip that has been made ready for operational preparedness and for the aircraft of the Indian Air Force. We've seen that in 2017 there was a historical landing of fighter jets on the expressway in Uttar Pradesh, and after that we also saw how Prime Minister Narendra Modi inaugurated the expressway in Purvanchal, where the touchdown of fighter jets was seen. And this yet again is happening, but this is important because this is happening at a situation when the Indian Armed Forces, including the Indian Army, Navy and the Air Force, they are all preparing for action against any kind of terror that we saw after Pahalgam attack. The strategic planning is on, and amid that strategic planning, we see this kind of airstrip that has been made ready, and it will be taking on the operations in the night for the first time. If we talk about the material of this particular strip, this is a special engineered material that can bear the weight of these fighter jets that will be flying in full swing, full speed. And this development also reinforces the defense preparedness and disaster response capability, especially by Uttar Pradesh, that happens to be one state with 4 such landing strips. So Ganga Expressway, that is a 594 kilometer long greenfield project that will be connecting Meerut to Prayagraj, becomes the first road airstrip to facilitate night landing. So this has a CAT-2 instrument landing system, precision approach lighting, reinforced pavement strength to withstand the aircraft weight. So this will be another first when we'll be seeing Rafale jet night landing and emergency landing on this particular emergency landing strip in Shahjahanpur. This is Shivani Sharma with camera person Abhishek Singh for India Today from Shahjahanpur, Uttar Pradesh.